Ho! Welcome to the jungle, it's loud and wild. The animals are singing, let's hear what they say. Come on and join the party, it's sound play day. Moo, moo, the cow says moo. The dog says woo! Meow, meow, the cat says meow. Let's sing with the animals right here and now. Cluck, cluck goes the chicken, scratching all around. She pecks and bobs her head, making a sound. The little sheep says ba ba ba, and the friendly horse goes neigh. In the forest, the owl goes go go go. The wolf howls when the night is blue. The duck goes quack, and the frog says ribbit. Jump and sing with the froggy spirit. Now let's get quiet, listen up, shh, shh. There's the sound of a snake, it goes hiss, hiss. And the lion roars with a big bold roar. The animals cheer one more, more, more. With a buzz, 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 the bee hums by. And the happy little dolphin goes so high. The elephant trumpets with a loud halloo. And the monkey says ooh, ooh, ah, ah, too.